Random facts that will surprise you. The man who asks a question is a fool for a minute, the man who does not asks a fool for life. Water actually boils at 10 degrees Celsius, when placed 27 kilometers above the surface. And also boils at 230 degrees Celsius when placed at 300 meter underground. Life is the most difficult exam. Many people fail because they try to copy others, not realizing that everyone has a different question paper. One of the most intelligent person inside the Titanic. When the RMS Titanic hit on iceberg on April 14, 1912, even the ship's staff was in a state of panic. No one stepped up to the plate to take charge. In fact, most of the staff were running around just as frantically as the passengers. So, our boy Charles stepped in. Charles was head baker and fittingly, his first order of business was sending loaves of bread to the lifeboats so people would have food to last until they were rescued. He continued by helping others onto their boats until he reached his own. Only instead of hopping on, he forced a group of women and children on, saving their lives. The icy water filled the ship quickly and Charles was fully aware that his chance of survival was slim at best, so he did what any person would do, get drunk out of their mind. He went to his cabin and got as much whiskey as he could. On his way, he threw chairs and tables into the ocean for people to use as flotation devices. And then he jumped off the ship, into the freezing water. He spent hours in the unforgiving Atlantic Ocean. Most died in minutes. The alcohol coursing through his body fought off the cold and kept him alive. "I was just paddling and treading water," he said. As dawn broke, he found a lifeboat and swam towards it, only to find that there was no space for him. Luckily, another nearby boat had 2 rooms and he managed to climb on. They were rescued soon after and there was no illness or injury to even prove he'd been in the water. Charles would go on to join the Navy and died at 78, living a full life, thanks to some whiskey. That's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Goodbye.